The sun was setting. The sky was orange and pink. Then it happened. A strange shape appeared in the sky. It was a giant silver disc. The disc hovered silently. It had no wings or windows. Strange lights blinked on the underside. Blue, red, and green. People stopped what they were doing. They pointed at the sky. What was that thing? Where did it come from? Some people were scared. They ran inside their homes. Others were curious. They stood and watched. Some people took out their phones. They recorded videos and took pictures. They wanted to show everyone what they were seeing. Others just stood there. They were mesmerized. They had never seen anything like it before. The spaceship hovered for a few more minutes. Then it began to rise. Slowly it disappeared into the night sky. What was it? Was it a message, or was it just a fleeting glimpse into the unknown?